Hey everyone, welcome back to This Life Thing. Today we're talking about how you can use AI to make your daily life easier, more productive, and just a little bit more fun. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to streamline your daily tasks, AI has got you covered. And the best part? You can get AI, including Chat GPT, on your mobile devices. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how AI can be your personal assistant. Need to schedule a dentist appointment or set a reminder for an important meeting? Just tell your AI and it'll handle the rest. Next, for all you writers out there, AI is a game changer. It can help you draft emails, write reports, write articles, and even come up with creative content for your social media. Studying for exams or just curious about something? AI can explain complex concepts, provide summaries, and answer your burning questions. Tired of thinking about what to cook? AI can suggest recipes based on your dietary preferences and even help you plan your weekly meals. Planning a trip? AI can create itineraries, find the best travel deals, and suggest must see attractions. Need a new book to read or a movie to watch? AI can recommend entertainment options based on your preferences. Want to stay fit? AI can design personalized workout routines and provide health tips to keep you motivated. Running a household? AI offers advice on cleaning, organizing, and managing chores efficiently. Need help with finances? AI can assist with budgeting, tracking expenses, and providing saving tips. Looking to improve yourself? AI can help guide you through meditation, mindfulness exercises, and help you set personal goals. Wondering how to get started? It's easy. Just download an AI app like ChatGPT on your App Store or Google Play. Once installed, you can start using AI for all these amazing tasks right from your phone. So, there you have it. AI can simplify your daily life in so many ways. Give it a try and see how it can help you stay productive and connected. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.